Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete page on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook apps, then switch your Facebook page. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Look at the right side, tap onto three line, click onto setting icon, scroll down, click on access and control, select deactivate and deletion, choose the second option, tap on continue, scroll down, continue, and type here your main profile password. Click on to continue and then continue again, and then finally click on to delete page, then successfully delete page on Facebook. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.